1. Set goals. It is important to set goals and be specific about what you want. You should also think of how your finances will change over the next few months before making any major decisions. 2. Stop comparing yourself to others. You are more than your income. You deserve to live the life that makes you happy, not one where money is always an issue. There's never enough time in a day for everything we want to do because it all has price tags attached. There will come days when getting out of debt seems impossible, but don't worry, even if things trend towards worse instead of better soon after starting this new lifestyle change, which I'm sure they won't, at least now you know how sustainable living healthier can be. 3. Manage your expenses. Track your expenses to understand where all of the money is going. You can keep track with a pen and paper or electronically. You can use credit cards for everything, but make sure that it's accurate in both cases. This simple habit will help spend more wisely. To figure out how much you can afford to spend each day, subtract your fixed expenses from the monthly income and divide that number by 31. 4. Make a plan for getting out of debt. Debt is no joke and it takes serious effort to get out of debt. If you have credit card, car payments or student loan debts, think about what can be done quickly in order for these problems not only go away but also stay gone. Making even a few extra payments each year may seem tight at first, however over time will help pay off your loans much faster because unlike anything else this investment pays itself back with interest rates that would leave anyone green around their eyes, in more ways than one. While making those little tweaks aren't always easy, don't forget how important they really are when thinking long term. 5. Start saving. Saving money feels impossible if you're always broke, but planning for the future can help you get out of this cycle. Start small by just putting $50 in an emergency fund each month, and don't forget to save even when there's not much extra cash around, like right now while you're watching this video. Setting aside some funds will make it easier should something happen unexpectedly. Also remember that starting big is better than depleting all your savings overnight, because then what happens? You might find yourself needing more emergency funding later down the line.